Today we are looking at a brand new Eliminator 254. This unit was designed for on-the-farm cleaning of cover crops at 200 bushel per hour. This unit can precision clean at a reduced capacity. We're going to do a general walk around of this unit, go over all the features, show the unit running today. This machine was designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. The machine only has 3 controls. We have the air control right here. You would simply crank this and increase or decrease the flow of air coming out of the fan. This unit has a rack and pinion gate style large flared hopper for ease of getting product into the machine. And the unit has a feed control right here. Simply turn this and the feed gate opens. Those are the only 3 controls on the machine. Another feature of the machine is an air bypass gate. You would open this for lighter commodities. This machine is counterbalanced and is equipped with high quality American bearings. So look at the eccentric shaft here. This unit is equipped with a quick attach tailgate for changing the screens. This really makes this process very simple and easy. Here you can see we have the tailgate open. As I said, you can easily change the screens once the tailgate is open. The unit is equipped with ball trays. There are no mechanical high wear brush components. The ball trays keep the screens clean with good ball agitation. This particular machine is set up with a WEG 5 horsepower, 220 volt single phase electric motor. This unit can be ran on 3-phase or single phase for on the farm cleaning or industrial cleaning in a facility. Another key feature this unit offers is this shaking pan. This allows the product to be moved rearward so you get the most amount of screen time and allows for even feeding of the product. As you can see, we have the unit running for you. The unit hums right along as it should. It's a brand new machine. These are the spouts of the unit. This will be your scalpings spout right here. Anything larger than the product you are wanting will be discharged here. Down here you have your siftings spout. Anything smaller than the product you are wanting will be discharged here. Here we have our post-air discharge spout. You can see that it makes vacuum. This gate must be free hanging so that it can create a airlock. As you see there, this must be free hanging. This is where all of your post-screen air liftings will be discharged. And your clean grain will be discharged out right here. That is where the clean grain will be discharged. As you can see, the unit has a very powerful fan. And the fan wide open. Simply adjust it this way to fine-tune the fan controls. The unit also has large polycarbonate windows so you can see what is happening inside the machine. Go ahead and open that fan back up. This is just a very, very simple machine designed for on-the-farm cleaning of cover crops and things of that nature. The unit only has 3 controls on it. The unit is equipped with a large flare hopper so you can feed this right out of your grain bin. Unit is also equipped with shipping channels or lift points. Your forklift forks will go right in there. You can pick the unit up, move it around with ease without fear of damaging the unit. Unit has a spike agitator inside the hopper as well. They look at the E254 sold by Commodity Traders International. I'm going to now go over the dimensions of the unit. The inlet hopper height of this machine is 8 feet, and the discharge of the clean grain is 8 inches. The shipping dimensions of this machine are 8 foot 8 inches in length, 6 foot 6 inches in width, and the weight of this machine is 2,300 pounds. This machine is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, grain, feed, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below and following the video. Thank you so much for watching.